Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you already need and why each item matters. Get 20-30 palm wood logs because you will lose pieces during shaping. Pack a carving knife, sandpaper, waterproof glue, and gloves. Once done, open the rune recipe to verify reagent counts, skill thresholds, and any special steps that follow. Make sure to ready a clean, well-lit workspace. You will work in short sessions to avoid mistakes, so set a 25-30-minute timer before carving. You now move into the detailed shaping sequence, where precision creates success. First, cut your logs into uniform 3-4 cm blanks. Consistency prevents warping later. Next, rough carve the rune silhouette, then progressively refine with sandpaper from 120 to 320 grit so the edges hold detail. Once the profile is correct, layer any glued pieces carefully, align them to the rune template to maintain symmetry. During this process, pause frequently to inspect angles and adjust pressure to avoid overthinning. You finish by sealing, curing, and validating the rune slayer so it performs and lasts. Apply a waterproof finish evenly and let it cure 24 hours at room temperature. This stabilizes the palm wood. Then engrave the final rune lines with a fine tool and test the piece in the intended game mechanic or mounting to confirm fit and function. If you encounter cracking or splitting, stop, rehydrate the wood gently, clamp during drying, resand the area, and replace the piece if structural integrity is compromised.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.